Good afternoon, everyone. Chrissy Thompson here. Going to give you a quick tutorial on how to update your Dragonfly account to get your student ready for the 2019-2020 athletic season. First thing you need to do is go to dragonflymax.com. Now, to complete this, you should already have an account or you can sign up. It is free. If you need the sign-up code, it is XAAP39. You only need that on your first time to sign in. If you are returning, you will need to enter your email address or your phone number that is associated with your account. And of course, enter your password. Once you get into your account, you should see the children that are associated with your account. I have created a sample student for this video. So we're going to take a look at this student. When you open up this student, you want to click View Paperwork, all right? And then you're going to go to your selected academic year, and I need you to change it to 2019-2020. As you'll see, your medical demographic information should carry over. If not, you need to update that. And you can see that I do not have my pre-participation physical evaluation form done. I need you to click on that form and click on Fill Out Electronically. You will just then go through and answer the questions. Make sure you read each question and answer it correctly. When you get done, you will sign your athlete's name and sign your name, and you can click Complete and Close. That is all I need from you. So if you have any questions, you can contact me at cthompson@baysideacademy.org, or my phone number is 251-338-6368. I will be glad to help you. Have a great day.